If your children's hair is dry, detangling, or is hard for you to manage your children's hair, this simple natural routine can help you a lot. I am using aloe vera and honey to hydrate my daughter's hair to keep her hair soft, healthy, and shinier. This is a gentle routine that works perfect for children because there is no any harsh chemicals on it. It's just a natural ingredients. So right now I'm putting my aloe vera. Please, you can buy aloe. When you are going to buy the aloe vera, you can buy the one that is already they already prepare it, like the one I'm using. It's 100% aloe vera gel. We have some, maybe you can see it, they can say 95% or 97%. Please don't use that one. Use the one they say natural aloe vera, 100% pure aloe vera. So that one you need, or you can buy the fresh one. And the fresh one also, you have to make sure you wash it thoroughly. So right now I put 2 tablespoons inside, and I'm going to add my honey on it. So honey also, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is very good for adding this, and please stay tuned with me because I will definitely going to narrate every ingredients, the benefit, the key benefit for all the ingredients and the hydrating, the way you can do it to get the maximum result. I will definitely going to explain everything to you guys. My friends, let's talk about aloe vera. Aloe vera is very powerful for hair because it gives deep moisturizer. Dry hair needs hydrating, and aloe vera helps bring water back into your hair. Aloe vera, it contains important vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Those vitamins help to strengthen the hair, improve shining, and support healthy hair growing. Aloe vera, it also has vitamin B12 and folic acid. Those help to reduce hair falling and support healthy scalp. It also contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. Those minerals also help to keep the scalp healthy and balance your own scalp oil. One of the best things about aloe vera is that it helps to reduce hair dry. If your hair is dry, you are using aloe vera, it will help you to reduce it. Aloe vera also, it's also keeping your hair smooth, or your scalp, it will help to keep your scalp very smooth. It's making detangling easier. That is why I love using it for my daughter hair, because this thing, children, this type of things that they need. Please, I'm not listening to me very carefully. I'm using it, my daughter also is using. So this treatment is not mean that only is for only children. You the adult, you can use, a children also can use it. But when I say it's perfect for children, because you know the children, their scalp is very sensitive, it's very delicate. It's not like a mature people, especially age of my daughter, 2.5 years old. You know, their scalp is not like, it's not mature. It's still, they are still having a baby scalp. So with aloe vera, you can use for those age like 2.5 years children. You can use it for them without any harming their scalp or harming their hair, because it's just a pure natural thing. So right now, after I finish mixing it, I pour it into my spray bottle. This amount is okay. The remaining one, I have my hibiscus. That one is here. I'm going to use it for rinsing. So I'm going to add the remaining one, pour it inside for when I wash my hair. I can use it as a rinsing tea for my own hair. And please come with me, because definitely I'm going to apply it to hydrate my daughter hair for you guys to see how you can use it to get the maximum result. Guys, please, I need you guys forgive, and also my daughter, because my daughter always tell me she doesn't want me to cut her hair. Anytime when I take scissors, my daughter will get angry. She doesn't want me to cut her hair. But I cut her hair yesterday. I did not cut it well. Some are long, some are short. Guys, this thing, me myself, is paying me, Papa. It's paying me because like I was trying to do things fast for her not to see what I'm doing, to notice that I'm cutting the hair. So it made me cut the hair. I did not cut it well. So I think, or not I think, I have to do it again. I have to cut it again, because at least if only I did not get all amount, the same size, I don't think this hair I will stop cutting it. But I'm just praying that I will not cut it too deep again. So after I cut it and it's not well, so today I'm going to cut it. I will stream it again a little bit again. I cut it. Why did I cut it? Maybe if you guys are wondering. Now to wash my daughter hair, her hair was growing fast, strong, flat and long, and I'm finding difficult to wash her hair. She doesn't want me to wash her hair. Please let me know in the comment section, what kind of idea do you have for me? Like an age of 2.5 years, if I'm going to wash her hair, what can I do? She doesn't want water to touch her ear, and that is my problem. That water is going inside her ear. She doesn't want it. So when it started like that, you see, she's getting panic and started shouting inside, crying. So that is why I say, okay, let me cut it so that it will be very easier for me to manage it. Anyway, let me put that one aside. So I even hide the scissors on my pocket because I have to do work again with her hair. And my people, as you guys can see how I started, let's stop about the cutting and come back to our main point. You can see how I started it. I hydrate her hair with my aloe vera and honey, and seal it with I add oil to massage the back, and add my leave-in conditioner to seal it. So I make it section by section. So the next section also I pick it again and spray my aloe vera spray into her scalp. And now I'm adding oil into her scalp. I'm going to massage it a little bit. Children, you don't need to overdo it. At least 5 to 10 minutes. It's okay. You can massage it for them, for their scalp to relax. Now, my friends, let's talk about the benefits of honey. Honey is a natural humectant. That means it helps the hair to hold the moisture when your hair is dry. Honey also helps to lock in hydration and adding softness and giving natural shining. Honey, it also contains antioxidants, vitamins, and small amounts of minerals. Those help to protect the hair from damaging and keep it looking healthy. Another beautiful benefit of honey is it makes the hair feel smooth. It reduces, damaging and dryness. So when I mix aloe vera and honey together, oh, this is amazing. We get deep moisturizer, softness and shining. That is what we get now. It's very good. And this is not for only the children, because I and my daughter, we are all using it. But it's good when you have a child also, that my daughter age, you can use this treatment to her, put it inside her hair, and there is nothing, she's going to be safe for that treatment. My friends, streaming your hair is very important steps. When you use a little stream, it will open the hair follicles and allow the moisture go to deeper into your hair. What this thing means? It means better hydration, soft hair, healthy end. Even light streaming can make a big difference in how the hair feels. But my problem here, I did a mistake. I will explain to you guys. Don't worry, I will tell you people. What I did was I cut my daughter hair yesterday. When I cut it, actually, I what I'm I don't know. She told me no, I shouldn't do it. So after that, I hided a scissor like the way I hided it today also again. So I start to cut her hair without her knowledge, but I don't want her to notice that I'm cutting the hair. So it make me just cut it anyhow because the thing was not cut very well. I was thinking that I'm doing something better. I cut it well, but I didn't cut it well. And why did I cut her hair? I cut it because now I'm finding difficult to wash it. So I'm thinking if I cut it, now she's 2.5 years. Actually getting to May, by May she'll be 3 years. So maybe when she gets to 3 years about, maybe she can understand, can sit down for me to cover her ears and wash her hair without any problem. But if not, for now, if I'm washing her hair, she say water is entering her ears. So now even when I'm washing her ears, her hair, she's going to close her ears, but still the water shouldn't come near to her ears, and I'm finding it difficult for that. So that make me say no, let me cut her hair small, so that when the hair is not too much, it will be easier for me to wash. So I tried, she was not accepting after I hid the scissors and cut it. But as you guys can see, the back, I didn't cut it well. The hair did not cut well. So today I say no, I have to cut it, I have to mix a little bit stream again, to cut it a little bit again, so that for the back, for it to be equal. But I hope that I will not do something wrong or damage her hair complete, because this hair, I'm putting effort on it. I'm trying to grow her hair, but because of I didn't have mind even to cut her hair, because of she told me that washing it is difficult, and that is why I make my mind to cut her hair. If not, I wasn't have mind for cutting it or streaming it. I would just say no, I'm just going to just leave her hair like that. But unless if there is a bad notice, then I will cut it off, but the way things has going, it was time for me to cut her hair. So now I cut it. Now you guys, you can notice that her hair is cut already, but I didn't make it well. So I'm trying to do what, to make a little bit touch up again. I'll touch it a little bit again. Okay, so that's it. And also I'm using this brush. Normally, actually, you can use it as it's having a heat. You can use it to strain your hair very well. But for her scalp, I know her scalp need heat because she have a low prostate hair, but I don't want to put high heat. That is why maybe when you are seeing it, it's not look like I'm combing it or I'm using the thing, because I don't want to use too much heat. Too much heat also can damage hair also. So that's why I'm just doing it. I want to strain it, but I don't want to use too much heat on her scalp or on her hair right now, until I don't know when. I will do that, but I don't know how I'm going to do it. But for now, I don't have mind for that. So that's why I'm just using this brush to do it this way, to make it easy for everything to get straight, so that if I'm going to make the protective style, I will not start suffering. So my people, as you guys can see, I also stream the hair. Her hair ends a little again. This is important because dry ends can break easily. If your ends is dry, it can break easily. Trimming it will help to keep the hair healthy. When you remove weak hair, the hair look fuller and growing better. So when you remove those things, also if you have hair and you notice that there's some bad notes or your ends is not ending, please don't be scared to trim your hair. Cut it, just cut it a little bit, so that the good ones also will come. That is what we believe. That is what when you are just doing, yeah, it will help you. But some people say, no, I will not do that. Why am I growing my hair and I'm cutting it again? I can understand them also, but for me, no problem, because so far as you are growing your hair, definitely, even if you cut it, the hair will come back. You know the solution now. You know the body language of your hair. So no matter how you do for your hair, definitely the hair is going to come back. So now, as you guys can see, I finished doing everything. My friends, after using this routine, her hair is so soft, and you guys can see, I love to see her hair in this way because she have a low profile hair. Sometimes it's very difficult for things to, for it to absorb things. Now it's just a, easier to comb and more shining, less dry, with consistency. Using this, it can help you. When you are using the consistency, it will help you to reduce hair breaking, improve your hair healthy, and keep your children hair or your hair manageability, especially the children. The children hair are very important, because for your children hair, how to manage it, that one that we need to be talking about, how you can do to manage it very easy. That is very, very important. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. Thank you very much, my friends. I don't know how to thank you people. If you make it to this point, may Allah bless you. And don't forget, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. And also, do not forget, liking is much more, it's also more important, because for you guys liking it will help you to also to push my video to more people. And let me know, have you watched it to this point? Let me know in the comment section if you watch it up to this point. And don't forget, comment, let's grow together. Let's grow together. When you comment let's grow together, I will know that yes, you watch it to this point. Let's grow together. Okay, just write let's grow together. Yeah, I love you guys. Okay, I love you people. But my friends, I have a question to ask you people. Did you use aloe vera or honey for your children hair before? Is a question. Did you use aloe vera and honey to your hair before? Let me know in the comment section. My people, you see what I did? Still this hair, oh, I do a lot of things. I cut. I'm not a professional. I will stop cutting my daughter hair, otherwise I will finish cutting it. I'm just be cutting. Yeah, Madam Kata. Okay, my people, thank you very much. I love you guys. Okay, I would love to see you guys in our next video. Bye bye. We love you all.